What's going on with the Manhattan real estate sales market? Is this a fake recovery or a real one? That's the question. The market did seem to pick up, but let's analyze what happened. The second quarter of 2019 was special because the new transfer and mansion tax rates are kicking in starting July 1st, which means there will be higher closing costs for buyers in the luxury segment going forward. Therefore, many people rush to buy these kind of properties before the July 1st deadline. For example, the number of transactions for properties in the $2 to $5 million range surged a whopping 36% over this period. Overall sales activity through all categories was up over 12% year over year to almost 3,000 transactions. Also spurred by mortgage rates that were on average 0.75% lower than the same period last year. The good trend in the financial markets early in 2019 helped many in making their buying decision in the first quarter of 2019, which translated into closings in the second quarter of 2019. The median sales price jumped 10.5% to a little over $1.2 million after hovering around the $1 million mark for a few years. The average sales price went up 0.2% to right under $2.1 million, and the average price per square foot went up 1.7% to a little over $1,700. Always year over year. Despite the increase in sales, listing inventory, the number of available homes, increased 8.2%, the seventh straight increase, and 20% higher than the 10-year quarterly average. This is the most meaningful data that points to the fact that the buyer's market is likely to continue at least in the near future. For those of you in the market for a 2-bedroom home, there's good news. You will be delighted to know that the inventory in that segment increased by 15%, which is double the rate of other apartment categories. So get ready for increased and expanded options. But Manhattan is always Manhattan, and bidding wars are happening. 5.7% of all transactions went over the asking price, while the rest of the sales closed on average 5.9% lower than the last asking price. This is the negotiability factor. Yes, the absorption rate fell to 7.7 months thanks to increased sales activity, while the days on market metric went up 11 days to reach 114 days from a year ago. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Share with your friends, and please reach out with any questions. My cell phone is 917-214-2509. I look forward to hearing from you.